Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a custom print format in ERPNext. Custom print formats are great for tailoring invoices, sales orders, delivery notes, and other documents to match your business needs and branding. Start by navigating to the search bar at the top right of your ERPNext dashboard and type New Print Format. This will take you to the tool for creating a new print format. First, give your print format a name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple formats. Next, select the doc type for which you want the format, such as sales invoice or delivery note. In the Based On field, choose Print Format Builder. This is a user-friendly visual tool that lets you design layouts without needing to code. You can also set this new format as the default for the selected doc type so it automatically appears whenever you create that document. Now head into the Drag and Drop Builder. Here you can customize your layout by showing or hiding fields, rearranging components, and adjusting visual elements to match your brand. Once you're happy with your design, click Save to confirm your new print format. And that's it. Your custom print format is now ready for use in ERPNext. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more ERPNext guides.